Hi guys, so I just want to talk about curtains for the car. In the back I made actual curtains with little tension rods that we can just pop up into place whenever we want to take a nap or get a break from the sun. But I wanted to try this new technique of putting the magnets into the curtain itself. So up here in the top, I every so often made a little pocket for the magnet, stuck it in there and sewed it up. And since the frame of the car is metal, all you have to do is just hold it up there and it attaches to itself. And using upholstery material, since it's so much thicker, adds a lot of coolness and darkness if you're trying to take a nap or something like that. I'm still going to do a little bit of trim work on it, but I really like how handy it is for putting up and down. You don't have to deal with bending rods and stuff like that, so really packable. And it's cute. It feels like a little camper. So yeah, two different options. I'll probably keep it like this for a while. But up here in the front, we do store a lot of stuff while we're set up camping, and it just keeps it from getting sun bleached and burnt. So it was a fun little project, our recent little addition to our house on wheels, but it makes camping so much more enjoyable to have that relief from the sun. So that's my experiment.